So we're going to be checking the cabin filter on a 2021 Chevy Tahoe today. We need to remove this glove box door. Take all the stuff out of here. Now what you're going to want to do is on this side here you have a damper that we're going to disconnect. Okay, just pull the bottom of it, disconnect the bottom of it, okay, just like that. Push it out of the way. Now there's these stoppers here. You just push the glove box in, both sides. Might have to go back and forth a little bit, and the glove box will come down, and you can just take it off the hinges, okay? Right here is where the cabin filter lives. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna push this inward this way, and it unlocks this door. And then we're gonna move the whole door to the left, and it'll unlock it. Okay. There's like a locking system here. Take that off. Here's the filter. Just snatch it out of here. And this one is brand new, so we're not replacing this at all. And if you want to know about airflow, it is going up. New one in. Go through this. Putting this door back on. Here, line it up. And we need to move it to the right. And it just locks. And you're going to push this like that. Lock box, put it back on the hinge. No, it doesn't lock into the hinges, it just rests on it. You just close it. Come over here and just get the damper. And just hook it back up. And that's it.